Temperature is holding steady at 2 degrees Celsius, humidity at 70%.
Confirmed. The thaw rate looks optimal on these trays.
Flow rate stabilized at 0.2. Oh. Consistency looks good, nice and glossy.
At the completion of the resting stage, our team moves quickly to prepare the chicken mixture for transfer, maintaining strict quality standards.
Is correct before they enter the fryer.
Flow rate is stable at 50 units per minute. Good. Maintain speed through deoiling.
Bring it back 10 feet and set it down right on the white line.
Okay, is that straight?
Perfect, lock it in.
Is that pallet secure for the frozen chicken kebab shipment?
Yes, manifest confirms the count. It's ready to go.
All checks clear on this side.
Same here. Ready for transport.
Truck 1, temperature checked and sealed. Bay 2, clear. All systems green for departure.
Looks good. We'll start moving these to freezer section C.
Slowly, check the bottom cartons.
Confirmed. Moving to the marked safety line.
I'll take 3 of the large family packs, please.
Certainly. I'll get those weighed up right away.
These are marinated in a blend of herbs and spices, and they cook in about 10 minutes.
Ah, that sounds delicious. Thank you.
3 chicken kebabs. Will that be all for you today?
All set. Thank you for shopping with us today.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You outdid yourself with these kebabs. Absolutely delicious.
To the chef, they really are perfect.
I agree. I can't stop eating them.